My little sis is watching Peppa Pig at full volume and not giving me any space to record this. But anyway.
Stop saying I'm watching Peppa Pig. I'm a big girl.
No, you're not. You're tiny.
I'm massive. Leave me alone.
Did you just call yourself a fat pig?
I call myself a big woman.
What?
You're an idiot.
Big woman?
You're an idiot when you're filming for your friends to get famous. Ew.
I'm not filming for my friends to get famous.
You're filming for you to get famous. And anyway, Peppa Pig's the best on mind your own business.
I thought you just said you don't watch it because you're a big girl.
Well, life changes. And anyway,
What, in 10 seconds?
yeah. And anyway, when I watch it, it's so good.
Like, do you like George?
Yeah, he's my favourite. Yeah,